It has been more than 3 years of Russia-Ukraine full-scale war. As Ukraine is still a country at war, and with martial law in place, elections remain frozen. President Volodymyr Zelensky, once hailed as a wartime hero, still enjoys approval rating higher than any Ukrainian leader before him. But his authority is starting to face real tests. Back in February 2022, when Russian troops stormed across the border, Zelensky's approval shot up to a staggering 84%. His defiance in Kyiv, his nightly address, his refusal to flee, they turned him into a global icon. Through 2023, support stayed sky high, but by 2024, the shine began to fade, dipping to around 60%. Today, he's back up slightly, sitting at 67% approval. Not bad, but no longer untouchable. So what has changed? For one, the war has dragged on. With one election, no fresh mandate, and martial law extended again and again. Just last month, Ukraine's parliament approved its 16th extension, keeping martial law in place until at least November 2025. Under Ukraine's constitution, no elections can be held until it's lifted. That is why a presidential vote, originally scheduled for last year, never happened. Zelensky insists elections can only take place after peace. But even this position drew some sharp questioning from the US President Donald Trump during Zelensky's visit to Washington this week. Meanwhile, at home, the president has faced his toughest backlash yet over corruption reforms. When Parliament tried to strip independence from anti-corruption agencies, protests erupted in Kyiv. Thousands took the streets, forcing Zelensky to backtrack within days. But the damage was done. Polling by the Kyiv International Institute of Sociology shows trust in Zelensky dropped from 74% in May to just 58% in July, and corruption is nothing new in Ukraine. Gallup finds that 85% of Ukrainians believe that corruption is widespread in government. The EU even froze $1.7 billion in aid after Zelensky's controversial anti-corruption move. Still, there is a paradox. While Ukrainians remain skeptical of their institutions, with only 35% trusting the government and just 27% trusting the courts, their faith in the president personally remains far higher. And one institution towers above them all: the military, trusted by more than 90% of Ukrainians. So what if Ukraine voted today? Zelensky would remain the clear favorite, with approval around 2/3 of the country. But he would face a much higher road in 2019 when he won on an anti-corruption platform. This time, the shadow of war, slipping trust, and public anger over governance would shape every ballot. For now, though, elections are off the table. Ukraine fights on, martial law remains, and Zelensky, the hero, president, continues to navigate the most perilous moment in his nation's modern history. With Saurik Shah, Bureau Report, India Today Global.